Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful video of hand embroidery designs for dresses. All of these video collections are very beautiful and creative and have wide variety of design ideas. Today's creativity concerns about the neckline embroidery patterns along with the beautiful creativity of borderline, different type of stylized patterns of hand embroidery. So these type of very beautiful patterns of neckline could be used to design your Boatneck embroidered shirts of different variant lengths like full length shirt, medium length or short length kurtis. Even you can design your blouses, your kalidar, churidar suits, your eastern western type of tops like shirt, sweatshirt, crew neck shirt and many more creativities as per your choice. The basic idea and concern for making this very beautiful, elegant, and unique design idea collections of neckline embroidery patterns is to share creativity. We never reclaim someone else's work as our own. The basic purpose and motive behind sharing designs and ideas with you is to share designs and creativity with the lovers of hand embroidery, with the likers of hand embroidery, and different type of stylized patterns of hand embroidery artists. So before going into the details, kindly don't forget to subscribe and like. Ranging from simple, elegant, and decent embroidery designs to moving towards medium and heavy neckline embroidery patterns have been shared. So, basic and beginner friendly embroidery stitches like stem stitch, satin embroidery, Brazilian embroidery, Hungarian embroidery, Chinese embroidery have been used. These are some sort of simple and basic and straightforward embroidery pattern that could be designed with the help of little amount of focused attention. And if you are really liking the ideas and the stylized pattern, then do try one of them and in the comment section let us know that which design you like the most. Guys, I would recommend you if you want to give a formal touch then kindly use a sleek fabric base like raw silk, silk, velvet and some sort of shimmery material. And if you want to keep it elegant, light and breathable everyday wear, then I would recommend you to use matte fabrics as the demand of the season. Like for intermix fabrics, just use cotton, cambric, and organic blended fabrics. And for winters, use wool and heavy type of merino type, khada type fabrics. I hope that the idea and creativity of our today's video concern was usable and helpful for creativities. Thank you so much for watching.